What's up guys, so today we are going to talk about how to use an epilator to remove hair from the underarms. I will actually show a live demonstration. The video starts at this point, but if you want to know which epilator I'm using, this is Philips Satinel. I've been using it for many years. It's affordable, it's quick, it removes very short hair also. I will put the link down in the description box below if you want to check it out. This is Philips Satinel, okay? Now, for all those of you who want to know, does this hurt? Here's the rule of thumb with epilators. If the hair is long, the epilator has to pull out really long hair, right? That will hurt. So the shorter the hair, the better, because it removes the hair in a snap and that will hurt you very less. So what do you do if your hair is long? Number one, you can use wheat wax strips. I've actually done a video on that as well. I will put that video link down in the description box below as well. You can check it out. You can either use wheat wax strips for long hair, but if you have very long hair, don't use wax strips also, because even that will hurt, okay? So what do? In that case, you can just use a razor, and once the hair starts coming back, you can use an epilator then, or you can use wax strips then, whatever works for you. So how do you use it? Just hold your underarms, okay? Just hold your underarms straight like this. Understand that if your skin is tight, it will hurt less, okay? So what you can do is you can just use your fingers to stretch your underarm skin a little bit like this, and going in the direction which is opposite to your hair growth. So if the hair is growing in this direction, I will go in this direction. Opposite direction, I will just move my epilator. So turning this on, a little noisy. That hurts. Okay, so you have to go a little slow, okay? It hurts. Like right now my hair is a little longer than usual. Usually I don't wait for this long. Okay, I'll start again. Now I'll also go from bottom to top, because I do have a few hair strands growing in this direction. So you will have to see that, okay? Like usually with underarms, people experience this. The hair is growing in multiple directions, so you can go over multiple times if required, okay? And to check, you can just hold a mirror like this and you can check if all the hair has been removed or not. There's still a little bit left. I don't think it'll be visible on camera, but there is still a little bit left. And that's it. A lot of you keep asking me, Prachi, how did you make your underarms much lighter? It used to be very dark before. So again, I have done a video on that as well. I will put the video link down. But let me show you a before after. So like this is how this underarm looks right now with all the hair, right? And this is how this underarm looks without the hair. And because we're using an epilator, the beauty of an epilator is that it pulls the hair from the roots, right? So it's basically like waxing. The hair will not regrow in 2 days like in a razor or like a hair removal cream. Here the hair actually is removed from the roots, so it will remain clean for a much longer time. Easily for 10-15 days you can go without waxing or removing your hair again. So yes guys, that's how you use an epilator. Very quick and very easy process if you really look at it. And just imagine, like a lot of people, when they don't do this at home, I'm sure even you have gone to the beauty salons to actually get this done professionally. It costs you so much of money, easily 50, 60, even 100, 120 rupees depending on where you're living. This is so fast, it hardly takes 2 minutes and you can completely do this at home. I personally feel that buying an epilator is totally worth your money, because even though you're spending 2,000, 2,500 rupees at one time, it's something which will last you for years, and for multiple uses. You can use epilator throughout your body, not just underarms, right? So yes, go ahead, try it out and let me know in the comment section below how your experience has been. Just remember the most important tip: don't epilate very long hair, because that will hurt very much. Epilate shorter hair, okay? If your hair is short, it's much easier, it's much faster and much less painful. And pull your skin, and that's all you have to do. After epilating, use a moisturizer or aloe vera gel if it hurts or if you feel a slight tingling sensation, and that's it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. All the links in the description box below for the epilator and the other video links. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and remember, every Friday non-sponsored viewer requested videos on SuperWowStyle. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.